Hey guys, thank you for joining me. I'm Zein with Train with Zein Personal Training and Health Coaching. I appreciate you being here. I want to talk to you today a little bit before we start the workout. Today we are going to do a workout though with one band. That's all you're going to need is just one simple band. This is actually a heavy band, but you can feel free to use a light to medium band, especially if you're not used to working out, regularly. Please use a lighter band. Most people have a band in their home, not everyone, but a lot of people do. If you don't, you can still do the workout just without a band. So it's no big deal. And if you don't have this type of band, but you have a different type of band, please use it. Even if it doesn't close, you can still do a lot with your band. So just follow along. Secondly, I just want to say that if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe. So please click that subscribe button, share with your friends. I really appreciate that. I am a newer channel, but I look forward to growing and I look forward to blessing more and more people with my knowledge and just being a part of your lives. Thank you so much. Please feel free to comment with how the workout goes for you. This is going to be a quick workout. I'm just going to go through the exercises with you, and then you can feel free to do the workout over again. So you end up doing another set or maybe 2 more sets of this, and that's going to really get your heart rate up. It's really going to give you a really great workout, okay? All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put the band down for right now, and we're going to get on the floor, and we're going to do a little bit of ab work. So meet me on the floor, all right? Now, it's important to always engage your abs when doing ab work and core work. It's also important to use your glutes when necessary, okay? Shoulders are going to stay back and down and your spine stays long, all right? Your chin is going to stay up toward the ceiling the entire time, okay? All right, so on this one, we're literally just going to bring the knees up, just like this. You're going to press the low back down, put your arms down on your side, and you're just going to hold and just hold. Now, some people will bring it back here, and you're not going to get a workout. You want to bring the knees out a little bit, okay? They need to be out so that you can actually feel it. You should feel those lower abs, really all of your abs are going to engage. Now hold, breathe in, and out. Good, now we're going to touch down. And if this is too advanced, don't do it. Don't do it. Just stay in the hold, okay? Good. Touch down and come up. Using those abs, guys. Using the abs. Good job. Good job. Very good. All right. Now, I want you to get up. And we're going to do some butt kicks, all right? Kicking your butt, kicking your butt, kicking your own butt. Good, we all need it right now. We're stressed out, going through a lot, so we want to kick the butt. Use the abs, engaging the core. Shoulders are back and down. Good job. Kicking your butt. Good job. Good job. We're going to slow it back down, get the heart rate down. Got the heart rate up a little bit. Good job. All right. All right, now you're going to get your band. Got the band here. You're going to wrap the band around your wrists, okay? We're going to come down into a plie position using the inner thighs, okay? All the way down as far as you can go where you feel that engagement. You're going to come up, out, and pull down. That's working your lats right through here. Very important to strengthen those, okay? legs, I don't want to feel it in the knees. If you're doing a lunge, okay, you're lunging like this, all right? You're staying up as high as possible. I don't want you to come forward. You stay up, but don't let this knee do the work. This leg, this is your working leg, all right? All right, so pushing the band down, we're gonna go up, down, 2, 3, go lower into your lunge, up, down, 2, 3, up, down, 2, 3. Why am I doing 3 count? It makes it harder. You're gonna get more out of this workout, especially since we're not using heavy weight. This is gonna make it as if you're using a heavier weight, okay? Good, up and down, 2, 3, bicep curl, down, 2, 3, one more, and down, 2, 3. Woo. You should feel a burn, guys. You should be feeling a burn. That's amazing. All right, I'm up to 160 on my heart rate, which just goes to show you, you don't have to do a ton of cardio to get your heart rate up there. All right, so now we're gonna hit the floor again, and we're gonna use this to do a little bit of back work, okay? So, we're gonna put this, let me scoot back, put this around your feet, okay? And what we're gonna do is just, you can do 2 arms and pull back like this, okay? Pulling back and down, 2, pull back, down, 2. All right, again, we're working the latissimus area. We're working in between the shoulder blades here. If you wanna go even harder, you can do 1 arm. Back, down, 2, 3. Back, forward, 2, 3. And back, forward, 2, 3. And back, forward, 2, 3. And back, forward, 2, 3. Engaging the abs. Here's what I look like from the side. And back, forward, 2, 3. Let's switch sides, okay? Back, forward, 2, 3. Glutes are engaged here. I'm slightly leaning back, so that makes my abs engaged. Back, forward, 2, 3. Back, squeeze those shoulder blade muscles. Squeeze, 2, 3. And back, forward, 2, 3. One more. Back, forward, 2, 3. Great job. Okay, now we're actually going to keep the band around your legs. We're gonna do a little bit more ab work, okay? So this one is going to be a bicycle. So opposite arm, opposite leg. You're bringing elbow to knee, elbow to knee, rotating, rotating. Press your low back down, press your low back down. All right, here's what I look like from the side. Press your low back down, press your low back down. Good, good job. Press your low back. Good, using those abs. Don't forget to breathe. You're also pushing with the glute here. Pushing with the glute. Pushing, good. Good. Press out through the heel. Good job. And release. Very good. All right. All right. Now, we're going to actually put that band up here, okay? So, very, very good. We're going to come on our hands and knees, okay? And what you're going to do is be working this outer portion, all right? Actually, we're going to do the back and the outer, okay? So you're on your hands and knees here. You're going to come up, in, out, in. Back, heel is up, and out, and in. Good. So here's what I look like from the back. I'm going back, forward, out, forward. Back, forward, and out, and forward. Good job. I'll just show you the front. Back, forward, and out, and forward. Good. Now we're going to switch sides, okay? Do the other side. Back, heel is up, and out, and forward. Keep a flat, straight spine, and out, forward. Breathe in and out. Good. In and out. Good. And out. Now, we don't want to let the low back take over, so always be sure you keep the abs engaged. Good job. All right, you're going to keep these right here for right now. Get some water, super important. We've already burned 150 calories and you're only about 20 minutes in, so that's good. All right, so now we're going to do some squats just with the band, okay? So we're going to squat down and up. Now your knees are going to want to wiggle. We don't want to allow that to happen. Down and up. So here's what I look like from the side. We're going down and up. Notice my body doesn't fall forward, okay? Your body stays up. It's your tush that goes down, okay? Your tush and legs go down. Squeezing as you come up. Squeeze it up. Good. Squeeze it up. Whoop, I almost fell on that one. Now if you can't go as far down, that's okay for now. Work your way down, okay? Here's a side view. Down, far as you can go, and squeeze up. Do not use the low back. Down and squeeze up. Down and squeeze up. This gives you that extra added resistance to work the glute med, which all too often is extremely weak on most people, all right? All right, we're gonna do 2 more. Down and up, good. Down and up, very good. The last thing that we're gonna do is do some deltoid work, okay? So what you wanna do is go back into your plie, all right? And we're gonna do that same one that we did earlier, but you're changing it up a little bit. You're gonna go out and in, out and in, out, diagonal. Changes it, right? Here's what you look like. Out, here's what you should look like. Out and in. Inner thighs and in. Inner thighs and in. Abs are tight, okay? Inner thighs and in. Out and in. Out and in. Out and in. Good job, and in. One more, we're burning. Out and in. You did a great job. My heart rate is at 162. So what you can do from here, I gave you a 20-minute workout, is go back through this thing again. Do it again. If you do it 3 times, you're almost getting an hour, well, you are getting an hour workout. So please feel free to do it 1 or 2 more times.